Okay, good day everyone. I want to explain. I already completed Project Genesis, and I want to explain details so you can further understand once you have the data already. Okay. First up, I have here a warning or a safety warning. This document is for information purposes only. If you apply or use any of these ideas, you do so entirely at your own risk. Neither the designer of the system, author of this document, or provider of the internet display are in any way liable should you suffer any loss or damage through your own action. While it's believed to be entirely safe as long as you apply and proper safety and you have sufficient skills and knowledge, this will be safe. Further intensive research on the detail of the idea is suggested. Now, first up, I want to explain parts of this document. I have here the diagram itself. Okay, this is the details of the Project Genesis, and this is the stock setup. Okay, I have here the list of materials, safety, and other usable important instructions. Okay, first up, this is the air filter. It is going in here, and this one is a tube going all the way down to an air stone over here. This is the air stone. Okay, or it could be air stone or a simple plastic bottle with lots of holes. You have to connect it to a tube using a solder or epoxy that is gasoline proof. Okay, another important thing here is this one, where you put the limit switch and the magnet and the float. Okay, if you use a magnetic container or a tin can, of course the magnet will affect the tin can, so it's very important that you cut a slot over here and put a non-magnetic material such as copper. In this case, I use a copper right here, and you have to solder the copper and the tin can. Okay, and this is the magnetic switch. This is the electrical part of the system. Okay, this red lines over here indicates this is a very high pressure. Okay, so you should use good materials and safety here, a hose clamp and everything. You should take care of this. And this blue lines right here means this is a negative pressure, a strong negative pressure, so you have to also do some necessary things in order to use good materials. A strong vacuum can destroy not so good quality materials. Okay, this is the engine itself, the intake manifold, the carburetor, okay, the fuel pump, intake, return, and output of the fuel pump. This is the existing fuel pump. Okay, got here a T connector, a flow control valve, okay, and another filter This is the existing filter, and also this is the existing gas tank of your car. Okay. What else? I guess that's about it. Wait, this is the solenoid bulb. Okay. Turns on when the level of the gasoline inside the container is high or when the magnet reaches the magnetic switch. The fuel pump will suck gasoline from vaporizer container. Another thing here you can use the input of the gasoline to the container. You can use a nozzle of a spray paint can. Okay, you can attach it to this tubing using gasoline proof epoxy. Okay, another thing, this is the output of the gas output, and this is one will make sure that there is no liquid gasoline exiting the vaporizer. Okay, that's about it. For those who want a copy of this file, the Project Genesis, just message me or email and I'll send this to you. And if you have any questions or anything, just feel free to send me a message. Okay. And another thing about the components used here, it doesn't necessary. I did not show the actual appearance because it really depends on the manufacturer. As long as the same function, doesn't matter how it looks. Okay. So, for example, the fuel filter could come in different appearance. The flow control valve also. But the important thing is the function. Okay, each component here describes the function, just like this one. Flow control, adjust to control the idle RPM of engine. Okay, this one, flow control, adjust to control amount of gasoline going to vaporizer. Okay, so that's about it. Good luck everyone, and always be safe. Okay, again I want to repeat, this one is for information purposes only. Okay, so if you decide to do this on your own, then just be safe. Okay.